In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eBay shortcut on your PC desktop, making it super easy to access your favorite marketplace with just a click. Now, if you're someone who frequently visits eBay to shop, sell, or just browse, having a desktop shortcut can be a real time saver. It takes just a few moments to set up, and once it's done, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, make sure you're on your desktop. This is where the shortcut will live, providing easy access to eBay in the future. Once you're on the desktop, you're going to want to right-click on any open space. A menu will appear, and from this menu, you'll see an option labeled New. Hover over New, and another submenu will show up. From the secondary menu, choose Shortcut. Selecting this option will open a new window, and this is where the magic happens. Now that you have the shortcut creation window open, it's time to tell it where to point. In the text box labeled Type the location of the item, you'll enter the web address for eBay, which is simply https://www.ebay.com/. Make sure to enter it exactly as stated to avoid any errors. After you've entered the URL, go ahead and click on the next button. With this step completed, we're almost at the finish line. You'll now be prompted to name your shortcut. This is the name that will appear beneath the icon on your desktop, so it's a good idea to keep it simple and recognizable. Type in eBay, and then move on to the last step by clicking on the Finish button. There you have it. Your shortcut is now ready and waiting on your desktop. Anytime you want to open eBay, all you have to do is double-click the icon. It's that simple. This little desktop hack streamlines your access to eBay, saving you from opening your browser and typing in the URL every time you want to shop or check your account. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. You can personalize your shortcut even further by changing its icon to something more visually appealing. Simply right-click the new eBay shortcut, select Properties, then navigate to the Shortcut tab and click on Change Icon. From there, follow the prompts to select an image that suits your taste. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a desktop shortcut for eBay. It's a small change with a big impact on your online shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your eBay browsing just a little bit smoother. See you next time.